BittyBrush. Trick or treat. Let's draw a bat for Halloween. Ears. Eyes. Smile. Wings. I love Halloween. Let's paint the ears pink. And purple. It's fun. What a magical mouse it turned out to be. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Happy Halloween!